your family? We are so excited to introduce the animal stars in our family at More Pet Shenanigans. Watch as our animal co-stars come together to entertain guests with a spectacular tribute to the connection between humans and animals, with surprise twists that will have the whole family laughing from beginning to end.
Surprise twist. What?
Does that mean we're all gonna go eat?
Yeah.
Why don't you try to eat?
Better.
You're not leaving now, are you, Emily? No. Okay. So I'll stay here, but I'm gonna stay in the front and wait for the show. Okay.
Did you know that the griffin is named after a mythical beast with the head of an eagle and the body of a lion? The griffin is a fascinating creature, known for the strength from its lion's core and the speed of an eagle. Griffin lives up to its name, reaching speeds faster than 70 miles per hour as it dives 90 degrees or 205 feet straight down before speeding directly into 146 Immelman in the world.
If I want a roller coaster in a barf bag,
Maybe put me on the river and I need a barf bag. I don't know why.
you're putting her in a barf bag and in a merry-go-round.
Where are we riding this to? Scott.
We are now approaching the Loch Ness Trestle. Hold on to your little ones as we cross over the valley.
You're a little one.
Do you see that coaster to the right through the yellow steel track? That's the Loch Ness Monster. The Loch Ness Monster was awakened more than 30 years ago, right here at Busch Gardens. This interlocking, double-looping coaster stretches a monstrous 13 stories tall before racing those who challenge it down a 114-foot drop with speeds up to 60 miles per hour. Old Irish proverb, "You're a stunning on hill, stunning on river." In English, it means when the music stops, the dancing stops. So it's a good thing for us. The music never stops in Killarney. You can stop by Brogan's Pub and enjoy a pint and authentic Irish atmosphere. As we approach Tweedside Station, please listen to the following safety announcements. Please remain seated until the train has come to a full and complete stop. You may then exit to your left and left-hand side only. If you would like to continue on to Festa Station in Festa Italia or to Caribou Station in New France, please remain on board and flag all the way to your right to allow room for boarding next.
Ladies and gentlemen, please remain seated until the train comes to a complete stop. This is